in the diagram below, lines K, L, M, and N intersect line P. Which statement is true? Line L is parallel to M is parallel to N, K is parallel to N, or L is parallel to N. Let's start from the first line, K, which intersect line P. We have given this angle, so we can calculate that angle. Put that here is angle 1. Angle 54 degrees and angle 1, they are supplementary angles. Measure of these two angles is 180 degrees. So we can calculate measure of angle 1, that this is 180 degrees minus 54 degrees. So this is 126 degrees. We found measure of angle 1. And we know that if two lines are cut by transversal, so the alternate exterior angles are congruent, then the two lines are parallel. And we see that angle 1 is 126 degrees, and angle between line N and P is also 126 degrees. So these two angles are alternate exterior angles. And these two angles are congruent. So it means that the line K is parallel to line N. So we can write by alternate exterior angles converse, we have that line K is parallel to line N. Let me write this theorem. If two lines are cut by transversal, so the alternate exterior angles are congruent, then the lines are parallel. So we have that line K is parallel to line N. So this is our solution. 3. The line K is parallel to line N. If you check the rest, L and M, we see that here we have the given angle 125 degrees. So these two angles are vertical angles. So here we have also 125 degrees. And supplementary angle to 125 degrees will be 55 degrees. Here we have 55 degrees and also here, because these two angles are vertical angles. And what we have here? Line M cut line P, and we have 65 degrees angle. So vertical angles are the same. So here we have also 65 degrees. And we see that the angle between line M and P is 65 degrees, and between line L and P is 55 degrees. So for sure, because these two angles are different, these two lines are not parallel. What else? Line L and M is not. Like I said, line M and N, we have this angle, and we can calculate the supplementary angle to 126 degrees is 54 degrees. So here we have also 54 degrees. And the angle between line M and P is 65 degrees on the left side. Here we have 54 degrees. The angle between this line and that line, these two angles are different. So line M and N is not parallel. And line L and N, also we have here angle 54 degrees, and here is 55 degrees. So for sure these two lines L and M are not parallel. So the solution is 3. Line K is parallel to line M by alternate exterior angles converse.